Hello friends, I am Brij Kishore Sharma Tara from Rajnandgaon, Chhattisgarh in India, and in my science series I present for your observation my another item. This is my Yashika 35 non-reflex film camera. A very good camera produced by Japan. You can see here lens, flash, and viewfinder. Viewfinder, the knob through which we take shots. This is film cartridge chamber, and this one is shutter chamber, and this chamber is equipped with a drum inside which is fitted a motor through which the film moves forward. A very good compact camera, and I should say best, not good or better, and a very remarkable result this camera has given to me when I used to take shots with the help of this Japanese camera. I hope that my little presentation must have been of some interest to you. Thank you.